Do you want to send files on Messenger? You can now send large files in Facebook Messenger with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to send files on Messenger. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Sending files on Messenger is the ability to share various types of documents, such as PDFs, Word documents, images, videos, and other file formats, directly through Facebook Messenger. This feature allows you to send important files and media content up to 100 megabytes in size within a chat conversation. To send files on Facebook Messenger. First, open the Facebook Messenger app on your mobile device or on your computer. Once you are in Messenger, open the chat conversation with the person you want to send the files. At the bottom of the conversation screen, you will see the message input field. On the left side of the message input field, tap the four dots menu icon or the plus icon. A pop-up menu will appear. Select files from various options. If you are using a computer, click on the Attach a File icon and select files from your computer. Now, browse and select any files up to 100 megabytes that you want to send. You can select a Word file, PDF, video, or any other type of file. Once you have selected the file, it will be automatically sent to your friend. By following these simple steps, you can easily send files up to 100 megabytes to your friend on Facebook Messenger using either a desktop or mobile device.